Hey guys, coming to you from Long Radio of West Springfield in Hadley, Massachusetts, the Toys for Your Car people. Today we have a 2017 Tacoma TRD Pro. We've just installed a power sunroof on. I know we've done a lot of these, shown you pictures of them, but wanted to do an actual quick video of one of these so you kind of get a look and feeling of what these roofs are. This is a inbuilt power sunroof. Just jump up here on the roof. So we do a company called Signature, made in the USA roofs. They are a original equipment manufacturer of sunroofs for car manufacturers, and we are authorized, certified to install their roofs on the aftermarket. So that's the outside. Go inside. Now these have a shade that slides back and forth. When we do this, we have to install a whole new headliner on the vehicle to make room for all the mechanisms. Open this. You have your sunshade that slides back. And then your button for operating it. We usually mount in the upper overhead console on vehicles. You have a vent feature. And what that does is it allows the roof to vent just the back. Gives you a little bit of air inside the vehicle. That's what that looks like. And then we'll do a full open. Go outside and do that. The key shuts off, this roof closes automatically. You have a built-in windshield that pops up. And then we have close. And your sunshade. And there you go. If you'd like to have a roof installed on your vehicle, you come with a lifetime parts warranty for as long as you own the vehicle. Give us a call. Long Radio of West Springfield in Hadley, Massachusetts. The Toys for Your Car people. Thanks for watching.